The remote Mayto Beach offers a unique surf fishing adventure, especially if your bucket list includes catching the magical rooster fish. Teaming up with the Russos, Senior and Junior of Rooster Fish Safari is the ultimate way. They know the spots on the remote and gorgeous shoreline. If you see anyone on that isolated beach, it is unusual. The sand goes for over 7 miles. ATVs are the effective way to find those key locations, along with using experienced guides. Serious surf fishermen know this is one of the best locations for the rooster fish. The Russos can provide fishing gear with the necessary long surf rods and key lures. If you're new to surf fishing, they will kindly improve your cast so it reaches that correct spot. Typical shore catches are rooster fish, jacks, needlefish, pompano, and Spanish mackerel, with an emphasis on the impressive rooster. Mayto is south of Boca, about an hour-and-a-half journey from Villa La Sirena. Hopefully that's your lodging location. The villa manager provides transportation, getting you there for sunrise fishing. The villa offers 4 luxury apartments with a boho hacienda vibe, featuring great water views. They offer affordable luxury with air conditioning and fully equipped kitchenettes. The generous terraces and balconies provide great sunset viewing, plus a spot to enjoy that freshly brewed morning coffee. The villa is located in the funky Boca fishing village, with everything in walking distance. In addition to the surf outing is an ocean Panga trip out of Tawa, hosted by the Russos. Roosters again are the prime target when the Panga hugs the shoreline. It's their favorite hangout. Mahi-mahi, or dorado as it is known in Mexico, also frequent these waters. Jacks and needlefish are also common, adding to the excitement. Good fishing is typically close to the shore, no long boat ride needed. The overnight stay can be at Hotel Mayto, Casa Russo, or beach camping. Tawa is only a few minutes from Mayto, and its bay offers shelter for pangas and offers an optional spot for an overnight stay. A 2-day surf and panga fishing adventure is totally unique. A real Mexico experience. Certainly exciting, yet remote, serene, and absolutely magical. Go before it becomes known.